welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out Laura in the Kitchen's chocolate caramel oat bars. And these look like a little treat, kind of like a brownie, I guess. It's like a cookie oat base with chocolate and caramel in the middle and then topped with a little bit more of that topping on top. They look really easy and really delicious. And the recipe that I'm going to be using will be down in the description below. So at the end of this video, if you're so inclined, go there, get the ingredients, make it, and let me know what you think. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna give it a taste test and let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you wanna see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. Okay guys, so this has not cooled 100%. Like, it's still decently warm. I just can't wait any longer, but I will say I screwed this up. The syrup did not set. Totally my fault. That's part of the reason why I'm not waiting until this cools completely, because it's not going to make that much of a difference. It's been sitting in my fridge for like an hour and it's still pretty liquidy. So I'm just gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. But I'm letting you know that I'm keeping my rating for my mess up in mind when I rate this, but I gotta give it a bite. So like, it's really, it's gonna fall. Okay, it smells good though. Like, it smells like a candy bar, but it's, yep, there we go. All right, well, I'm just gonna give it a taste and see if it's love at first bite. Ooh, okay. Let me set this down because I'm gonna wear my arm out. It's like these muscles. It's very sweet. And I know that most of that is because I used caramel syrup or caramel drizzle instead of caramel sauce. Caramel sauce is richer and thicker and less sweet. It's kind of hard for me to say this is a very sweet, rich dessert because for me, it's overly sweetened because I used the wrong thing. I knew I should have just made my own caramel sauce, but I was like, oh, I've got some in the fridge, it's okay. I didn't have any in the fridge, so that's where I messed up. But I'm getting a lot more of a nutty flavor to the base than I thought I was gonna get. I don't know why I'm not getting a ton of oat. It tastes to me like caramel chocolate almond, like a candy bar. It's bizarre, but it's really good. The only thing is, I don't know if I can serve this as like a bar. I may just go buy some ice cream and dish it up like that and call it a day. This will have to be like a scoop. I mean, my family's still gonna eat this, but how messy it is kind of up to them. I gotta say, I have to rate this. It's hard to rate because I know that most of it is wrong because I I did wrong. I messed this up. But the way the recipe was written, how easy it was to make, all that stuff, I gotta probably rate this an 8, because I know that even if I had used caramel sauce, I've had enough caramel sauce in my life to be able to like guesstimate the flavor of it. I still think it would be a very rich, decadent bar. It's very sweet, and maybe I'm just getting old. Maybe that's part of it. I'm getting old and I can't tolerate super salty and super sweet things anymore. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I appreciate it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below with anything else that you want tested. And I will see you guys with the next recipe. Bye.